Hi, my name is Victor. Today I'm going to show you how to make magic sand. So the items you need for this experiment are vegetable oil or olive oil, aluminum foil, Scotchgard, make sure it's the fabric protector version, some containers and they can be filled with water, yep, and a spoon, and also some gloves and sand. And that's pretty much it. So first you can get your aluminum foil and you take a small piece of it out and fold it into a container that can hold sand without spilling it. So I'm folding it like this way, taking two of these up and creasing them and then folding them down so they connect. This makes a simple way to connect them with each other. So then you have this small area where you can put the sand on. So then I'm going to put my sand in here. And spread them equally so that they'll get equal coats with the Scotchgard. So now you can take Scotchgard and you can spray it here for about 5 to 7 coats so that it's strong and water resistant. So each time after a spray you can shake it up and will separate the grains so that the same grains of sand don't get sprayed at the same time. So the result after about 7 sprays is this, pretty much water resistant sand. So then after that, your first experiment you can do is you can put some grains of sand here. You can make a small arena on a spoon. It's good to you can put it on a metal spoon. And then after that you can just dip your hand and you can put 1 drop of water on here and you can roll it around. Oops, I dropped it here. You can roll it around, as you can see. Oops, it's quite easy to drop. Yep. So that shows that this sand is waterproof or water resistant. And then after that you can put it into, and the second experiment you can do is put sand into a small container like this cup. So now when you put them down, they pretty much form a cluster and go down together, as you can see there. Yep. And if you take it out, pretty much just some dry sand, as you can see. And you can also try to mold and sculpt under here. Yep. It might be a bit hard, but I think it's possible. So what happens is that this Scotchgard is pretty much a hydrophobic chemical, and when you spray Scotchgard onto this sand, you pretty much spray this hydrophobic chemical onto all these grains of sand, which makes them all each a ton of grains of sand which are water resistant or hydrophobic. And so when you put them down, they go together and they go to the bottom of this area since they're heavy, and they do not get wet. So the second experiment you can do is you can try to clean up an oil spill when they occur by putting oil in a container and putting this hydrophobic sand that you just made in there and pouring them onto the oil. So you can pour them onto the oil, and as you can see, it pushes the oil down. Yep. Now there's pretty much no more oil since I've pushed them all down and they're bubbly. So another good quality of this hydrophobic sand is that it has been also used to clean up oil spills. So when oil spills occur, this hydrophobic sand is scared of water and it won't bond to water, and it's not attracted to water, but it's attracted to oil. So it attracts and goes to and is connected to the oil, and it goes down with it. So because it's heavy, so it brings it down, and that way divers or other people can collect it. So that's another experiment you can do, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.